Welcome to 197 Pease Mountain in Charlotte, Vermont, a sanctuary of tranquility nestled on over 5 acres of lush, landscaped beauty. Imagine waking up to vibrant gardens framed by mature trees and stone walls, creating a picturesque and serene environment. Step inside to find wide plank floors and a cozy Rumford fireplace, exuding both warmth and sophistication. The first floor offers multiple living areas, perfect for gatherings and quiet retreats. The spacious kitchen awaits your culinary dreams, providing a blank canvas for your creativity. French doors lead to a back patio and pool area, ideal for relaxing and entertaining. Multiple porches surround the house, inviting you to enjoy the fresh air and natural beauty of Charlotte. An accessory dwelling unit in the barn offers rental income potential or additional guest accommodations. Enjoy country living just minutes from Mount Philo State Park with easy access to nearby urban amenities. The village of Shelburne, just a short drive away, or you can be in downtown Burlington in less than 30 minutes. This stunning Charlotte, Vermont home is a rare find, offering endless possibilities for its fortunate next owners. Embrace the peaceful lifestyle this remarkable home provides.